now about Ravan, आपने ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन के साथ काम किया. Does it help being married and working together?
जब आप कैमरे के सामने हो तो नहीं, क्योंकि कैमरे के सामने you're an actor and you have to be an actor. You can't be कि ये मेरी पत्नी है और वो नहीं कहती है कि ये मेरे पति है. None of that happens. You have to be a professional. लेकिन अच्छी बात ये है कि पैकअप के बाद you get to spend time with your wife.
हाँ, और क्या फायदे होते हैं मतलब for her you being her husband on the sets?
You have your companion with you. You have somebody there who's there to take care of you and to be with. And it's just a lot of fun. हम वैसे भी हम लोग इतना काम करते हैं कि we don't get time to spend with each other. तो अच्छी बात ये है कि एक फिल्म के दौरान ये मौका मिल जाता है कि आप एक साथ समय बिता लें.
तो आगे आप मतलब ट्राई करेंगे कि उनके साथ ज्यादा फिल्में हो आपकी?
I've never chosen my heroines. The director chooses that. And that's director का वो एक निर्णय होता है और हम चुपचाप करके वो काम कर लेते हैं. अगर आगे जाके लोगों को किसी डायरेक्टर को लगे कि ऐश्वर्या should be in the film, I'm fine with that.
अच्छा, आगे मतलब इनफैक्ट आपने डायरेक्टर की बात की तो मणि रत्नम की बात करते हैं. तीसरी मूवी आपके इनके साथ and he's always brought the best in you. There's any particular reason कि आपकी इनके साथ क्यों बनती है? Your chemistry actually comes out on the screen.
I don't question it. You just have to enjoy it. शायद ये इसलिए है क्योंकि I think Mani really understands me. He knows me very well. वो सिर्फ मेरे लिए डायरेक्टर नहीं, मेरे दोस्त भी हैं. And I think he really understands me. He knows how to push me. He knows what I'm capable of.
There's one more shot जहाँ पर पता चला कि you had to build 3 bridges as in the whole team.
The climax.
Because उस तरह से उनको shoot करना था. Tell us something about that.
The climax of the film is a fight between Dave and Bira on a bridge, which was in between a 300-foot drop, जो हमने मालसेज घाट में शूट की थी. लेकिन क्योंकि the main bridge जहाँ उसका जो situation था जहाँ लोकेट किया था उसे, it was not possible to get to the other side of the bridge to shoot this way. So we actually had to build another smaller bridge ताकि we could put the camera in a safe place because the other end it was just the valley. So we built smaller bridges like this so that we could shoot it from every angle.
तो काफी खर्चा किया है इस फिल्म पे, काफी मेहनत गई है इस फिल्म में. What makes you feel that this is the film to watch out for? मतलब 95% देखा गया.
I've never understood this question when I say why would you watch this film? We do the film because we like the film, we believe in it, and it's inspiring us to do it. And I've never been able to answer कि आप ये film इस वजह से देखिए. See the film if you want to see it. If we have managed to excite you with the promos to go see the film, go see it. One thing I can tell you is that it's a fantastic film. I'm very very proud of the film. I really think it's shaped up very well.
And एक चीज जिसने आपको excite किया when this script was narrated to you?
I wasn't narrated the script. He just told me a basic story of what he was thinking of doing. Then once we had agreed upon that, then he fleshed it out. The character, Bira's character, I've never had in my life before, and I don't think I'll ever get a role like that. Again, the character just attracted me to it.
Okay, Abhishek, इनमें से कौन सी लक्ष्मण रेखा अभिषेक बच्चन कभी पार नहीं करेगा? I'll give you just comment on it. Beating up anybody in the media.
No. It's not worth it. People have to do their job. I mean, you can't, hold somebody like a media person. I mean, they're doing their job as well. Let them do their job. You do what you have to do.